Hello, hello. Today we're looking at example 1.2. We'll take a look at A and then B and then C. So starting off with example 1.2a, we're working with metric conversions here, and they want us to convert 48 kilometers into meters. Now, I know a lot of you guys might be able to do this in your head or with a lot less math or a lot less work shown. I'm really going to be insistent that you set your problems up the way I'm about to show you. I think long term that this is really going to help when we get into the more difficult problems. If you have these skills, you're setting them up the way I'm showing you, you won't even have to think twice when you get to the more difficult problems. So very specifically, how I like to set up these conversion factors, these metric to metric, is I like to start by asking, what do they want me to convert into? So they're asking for meters. So I got a question mark, meters. That's what they want. And next, I write down what they gave me. So they gave me 48 kilometers. So I'm trying to figure out how many meters is 48 kilometers. I like the picket fence. You'll see a lot of other teachers use just a multiplication sign. Either works just fine. But I go and draw my picket fence. It's the line here and the line up and down. The next step then is to use our conversion factor. I want to make sure that I match up my units. I've got kilometers in the top here. I don't want kilometers in my final answer. Remember, I just want meters. So I make sure I get kilometers on the bottom. So these two units must match up. What this is going to end up doing for me then is kilometers divided by, I always divide what's on the bottom. So kilometers divided by kilometers, they cancel out. That unit is gone. So there's my kind of strike through line there. Kilometers and kilometers is gone. The only unit I have left on the page then is meters. And that's the unit that I want for my final answer. So I'm in good shape here. Kilometers divides out. Meters is what's left. And I end up with 1,000 meters is my conversion factor. 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. That's why I'm able to put them over each other like this, top to bottom. Again, what we have to remember is the K, kilo, stands for 1,000. So if I have a K of meters, that means 1,000 meters. Hey, once I've got the work set up, now it's just a simple calculation. We multiply across the top, divide by the bottom, identity property of 1. We don't have to multiply or divide by 1. So we just do 48 times 1,000. And our final answer, make sure we put it in a box, 48,000 meters is how many 48 kilometers is. So there's our final answer. So that is example 1.2, part A.